clocks, and it's the left hand. So we're starting around middle C. Your thumb is on the E flat, 2 on the B flat, 4 on the G. You have to hold the 2 and 4 on whilst your thumb bounces, and then the same happens on the second chord. So the timing of that, you count it in quavers because they're dotted crotchets. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, change, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then you come down here nice and low, same rhythm. But this time you're holding the thumb and bouncing the little finger. And we come up, back to where we started. Same again.